Have you ever experienced a sudden drop in your internet speed or noticed calls cutting out, leaving you wondering what went wrong with your connection? It can be incredibly frustrating to have your network performance degrade without a clear reason. Yes, an overloaded router can absolutely lead to packet loss. When a router is pushed beyond its central processing unit's capacity or its bandwidth limits, it struggles to efficiently forward all incoming and outgoing data packets. This results in some packets being dropped and never reaching their destination. This directly impacts network reliability and speed. The core mechanism behind this is congestion. Routers have a finite amount of central processing unit power, memory buffers, and interface bandwidth. When the volume of traffic attempting to pass through the router exceeds these resources, the router's internal queues become full. Instead of holding onto new packets, the router is forced to discard them to make space for ongoing traffic. This is a deliberate mechanism to prevent complete network collapse under heavy load, but it comes at the cost of data integrity and effective communication. The frequency and severity of packet loss depend on the router's hardware specifications, its current configuration, and the nature of the traffic it is handling. To identify if your router is experiencing overload and contributing to packet loss, you can start by monitoring its resource utilization. Many modern routers offer a web interface where you can check central processing unit usage, memory consumption, and throughput statistics. You might also observe elevated ping times or frequent timeouts when running diagnostic tools like traceroute or MTR, especially to destinations beyond your local network. Performing a series of ping tests with varying packet sizes can also reveal inconsistencies in response times or outright dropped packets, indicating a potential bottleneck at your router or an upstream device. Understanding router queues is a key insight here. Routers employ various queue management algorithms, such as first-in, first-out or weighted fair queuing, to prioritize and handle traffic. When these queues are overwhelmed, it is not just random packets that are dropped. Often, the router prioritizes critical control traffic over bulk data, leading to a noticeable degradation in application performance. Furthermore, network segmentation, where a single physical network is divided into multiple logical segments, can sometimes mitigate overload by isolating traffic. But if the router itself is the bottleneck between segments, the issue persists. Recognizing that an overloaded router is a direct cause of packet loss empowers you to diagnose and address frustrating network performance issues more effectively. By understanding the underlying mechanisms of congestion and buffer overflow, you gain the knowledge to monitor your router's health and implement strategies, like upgrading hardware or optimizing network traffic, to ensure a smoother, more reliable connection for all your data.
If you love understanding how the web works, like, subscribe, and stay connected with us.